Okay, I got it.
I think she likes the sound of your voice. Maybe try talking to her.
Hey. You want to hear a story? Okay, but before I start, I need you to do something first. I need you to stop crying. And I need you to believe in the impossible. Can you do that? Good. Your dad is fast. Faster than the speed of sound. And the faster I go, the more the world slows down. But it wasn't always easy. When I was a kid, I lost the people I cared about most. I won't let that happen to you. That's why your mom and I, we need to do something impossible. All my life, I've wanted to just do more, be more.
My friend Oliver said that the lightning chose me.
Because you can inspire people in a way that I never could. Watching over your city like a guardian angel, making a difference, saving people in a flash.
Create a new world for you, Nora. A better one.
My name is Barry Allen, and I am the fastest man alive. When I was a child, I saw my mother killed by something impossible. My father went to prison for her murder. Then an accident made me the impossible. To the outside world, I am an ordinary forensic scientist. But secretly, I use my speed to fight crime and find others like me.
Run, Barry, run! Run, Barry. Run.
Run, Barry.